the Vestal was actually hit before the USS Arizona was. So they were dealing with a torpedo, a bomb that went off under their ship. And my father manned his duty stations. He was putting out fires, I know that. So that's what he was doing. And then, you know, as we all know, the big bomb that dropped on the Arizona, you know, the smoke cleared long enough. I always say, as God would have it, the smoke cleared. And my father finally saw them, and he threw him a heaving line because he was a big, strong man, and he threw a heaving line. But he was told to cut the line when someone was on it. Whether that happened or not, I don't know. That's just what was told, and he refused to do that. You know, he wasn't going to do anything like that, and that's the story. You know.